Now, there is a plan from one former local cricketer to build a relationship between emerging Jamaican players and those in the United States to enhance the nation's cricket. The first of a 3-game bilateral series took place over the weekend at Sabina Park.
Jamaica's under-19 players are in preparation for their regional title defense later this year. But in the midst of that, they got the opportunity to showcase their skills to scouts in the United States through the Bryce Cricket Development and Enhancement Academy. While there's a worry that the growth of the game in the United States is a potential danger to Jamaica, CEO Andre Bryce was happy to provide a platform for the players as the former Kingston Cricket Club man looks to strengthen the local game.
Here in Jamaica, we know how important it is to keep the academy relevant, and also our youngsters who have been playing cricket and not really on a consistent basis, but for us to come here and give them an opportunity to showcase their skills across the world, I know it's a great opportunity for them, and I know for sure they'll capitalize on this opportunity. We have been doing this for over the years now, so we know how important it is to maintain our level of consistency in terms of putting on competitions and also organizing practice sessions as well outside of cricket.
And having the best of the under-19 players on show made it even more important.
Especially since the introduction of the minor cricket league in the US, and you also have that transition into the major cricket league. So I've been in the US for quite a while now and been coaching at a few academies there, and then affiliated with the Sunny Sahel Cricket Academy there in DMV region. And I've seen a lot of great potential in the academy, and I'm telling you, the cricket there is growing exponentially, as I said before.
It's a good thing. Me and him have been talking a long time about this, so I think it's a good thing to showcase other people's talents as well.
Well, I mean, yes, it's a pleasure playing in the Bryce Foundation Cricket Academy. It's been going on for a while now, and he has the opportunity to come here at Sabina Park and express and show the world young talents that Jamaica has. So yeah, it's a pleasure.
It's a lovely initiative. See, youngsters, most of them aren't playing any cricket right now. It's good for the preparation towards the under-19, and it's good towards getting cricket played for the youngsters. So I love what's happening. Personally, Bryce has been here for me since I was 12.
While it was good for the locals, there was an overseas flavor.
Yeah, it's really important to check how the different pitches are, and how they, what strategy to use to bowl and bat, and how to play in general. It's different.
In the exhibition match, AB 213 Academy recorded a 47-run win over Jewelry King. Justin Beckford hit 87 and Johnson made 62 in AB 123's 296 all-out. Michael Clark claimed 5 for 44. Omari Wedderburn then took 4 for 45 to bowl out Jewelry King for 249. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.